Hey guys, so there are multiple ways how we can connect your Lenovo tablet to the TV. So someone wrote here, my Sony TV supports screen mirroring, and after some trial and error I was able to cast my P11 to my TV without using any apps. So in the connected devices on a Sony TV, if you have it, under connection preferences there is a cast option, and in there at top right of the screen there are 3 little dots. Clicking on those bring up the enable wireless display option, and I tick the box there and then select screen mirroring on my TV and then when to cast from the tablet. So try it out, maybe you're gonna like it. So because only P11 Pro Gen 1 Gen 2 have TV out, the only method is Chromecast. So you're just gonna go to Google Play Chromecast, and you just want to download it and try it out with that. So just want to make this quick video for you on how it's possible to be done, and have a great day and goodbye.